What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So this video is going to be on the new CPA network. So we are back over here on the has offers, and basically we're going to be using this, platform here for the next month or two at least. That's the plan. The original Orex CPA network is going through some updates and stuff right now. I want to add a bunch of new features to it, so I'm projecting that's going to probably take about a good month or two. So during the time that's getting updated, fixed, and stuff like that, we're going to be using, this platform here. So I know the main question I'm going to get, like what's the threshold? Did you add new offers? Can anyone join this one? So any Team DeAngelo member is guaranteed a spot in here. If you aren't a Team DeAngelo member, then obviously, you got to just go through the regular process, how much money you're currently making, the screenshots, payment proofs, the whole little 9 yards or whatever, to actually make sure you're making some money or whatnot before we let you into the network, because I'm just taking the advertisers and stuff like that I have over here and literally just on the Orex network and just putting them over here. So yeah, so you can still kind of have the same quality stuff or whatnot. But yeah, added a bunch of new offers as well. Instead of just having it where I only have up offers that I have done for you campaigns for. So let's say if you were, you had the Craigslist done for you campaign or whatnot. I would have the offer that I'm using on the network, and I wouldn't have any other offers. Like it would literally be just what I had done for you campaigns for. So this one added a bunch of different offers to it. We got weight loss stuff, like even stuff that I don't run. Like there's even Bitcoin stuff on here. So like all of that stuff is in here. It's going to be about a good 100 offers, so you guys will have a big variety to choose from. All right, so yeah, make sure you go to the billing section, set up your billing stuff, and you should be good to go. Oh yeah, that's right, I forgot I logged out. All right, but yeah, once you do that, set up your billing stuff, and I wouldn't recommend a check or direct deposit because that takes a lot longer. Like a wire is faster, and if you use like Venmo or Cash App or even Payeer or something like that, those are you're gonna get paid like instantly. The other ones you have to wait days, but it's completely up to you. So same thing, just gonna fill out your information details and basically just put in for your email. Put in the email that you signed up with for the Team D'Angelo Network, so that way I can just add you to it and everything will be all good. But that's pretty much it. There's a link to it down below if you want to sign up. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff.